off. Now. Hey, you might want to grab the pipe and make a little hair in there.
Yeah.
Well, not that one. There's a
Big D's birthday. Big 40.
there's a big, like a hand, an old wooden handle up there. Yeah, that'll do.
Hush! Hey, Big D. This is Isaiah. What's up? You do that real good.
Hey, bro. You go the other way. Look, it's almost out already.
It's almost out anyways. The ground's so cold, it ain't gonna do nothing.
Alright, who wants a face full of this?
Casey.
Casey. Rachel.
A real fire crotch.
Angel. Gizzy, stop. Lay down. Stop.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Burning me now. I got burnt.
Hey, on the side of the you know where we put that one wood out there? There's like a big countertop over there. You want to grab it? Put that right on the roof, right on top of